Right guys, a bit of a look around our room. We're in block 3. We're in room 3118. I'm like a complete and utter plonker. I forgot to do this video until the very end. So, you're not going to get the best view of the room, are you? Because it's a bit scruffy. But here we go. We're due to go home, and I just remembered not showing anybody the room that we're in. Now, we're in an older room, I think, because some of the videos that I've seen have a separate toilet section in the bathroom, and this one doesn't. But that's the size of your shower. I mean, you could have a party in there. You could get a football team in that shower, to be fair. So there's your bathroom. Basic, but, you know, it's nice though, isn't it? What else do you need in the bathroom when you're on holiday? It's great, isn't it? Look at that. Nice big mirror as well. And hairdryer included in the bathroom. So you don't need to bring your hairdryer. Just a quick bit about these as well. These shower gels and body lotions and conditioners are absolutely brilliant. So if you do forget, don't worry. They are really, really good. You have got a wardrobe space here to hang all your bits up with. Panel there, power panel. Don't need to touch that. This is quite important, this here. Try and put some lights on. So that's your air conditioner. Dead simple. Slide that over to there. Slide that over to there. And set your temperature there. Lowest it'll go, I think, is 18, which is what it's on now. And then your aircon's on. And it's been working great. Now you've got this fan above the bed. And I'll show you where the switch is for that, because it's hidden away. And this is your room. Look at the bed. So it is 2 single beds pushed together. Typical for a lot of holiday hotels. Next to the bed here, you've got a bit of a switch with a little fan symbol on it. That's where you operate this fan from. And it really does help circulate the cool air. You've got a full length mirror there. TV with a few English channels on it. I think it's got BBC One on and Sky News. There is a few English channels there. Loads of drawer space down below. Loads of cupboard space. Nice size. You've even got a table here. And a sofa. Some bedside cabinets there. And I'm going to show you something I've never ever seen in a hotel room before. You ready for this, guys? This comes with your room. Nothing extra to pay. You've got optics. Optics in your room. How amazing is that? That's absolutely brilliant. Not only that, you've got tea and coffee making facilities. Pretty standard. There's an ice bucket there. You'll find ice machines in the corridors. And also, a fully stocked fridge. Now, they stock this every 2 days, but you can go on the Riu app and ask for a refill. And you've got beers in there. You've got tonic for your gin from above. You've got water in there, Coke, Fanta. Fridge works fantastic. All free. Not free, is it? But it's all included. You know what I mean. And then we've got a balcony. Let me go outside. Let me show you outside. Now, we've not really used the balcony since we've been here. I'm going to be honest with you. I'll show you the view that we've got from our balcony. It's just a view of the hotel ground, really. Nothing amazing. But this is the size of the balcony you get. You've got an area there at the end. And a couple of chairs. So what more do you want? Fantastic. The weather's been great since we've been here. But that was a quick look at our room on the 3rd floor. Room 3118. There we go. It's been fantastic. Really, really good. Really enjoyed the stay.